Kwetaka korase county ya Kisii singo kumenyabuna ABC yo mu Women Rep County ya Kisii Dori Sabuli kubwatirana n'ababwatani korase nsemo ya Kenya Film Commission nigo babere bakorwa amayegelyo gocha ase abasaye gwetania chimibere elinde gutwara obumanyi webirengo bigormono asamangana alengete chinyumba cy'ubararia okwana Women Rep Dori Sabuli nigo ainekebna nigo omorobilyo yo orabe kogosira abasaye abange linda kwanekebna nko enyorera bale amabaga yemeremo ase obugima bwabo boigoni gabaga kwenekya emichando abere go service yaye yabereke gotwara anne kwenekebna emerobilyo ahangwe kiranigwere yo gosira abasaye chingaki ainekebna nigo chibesa cyabere chikubwato kwa chinge echo cheirire anene obokoreri goteneni wakole nigo aliira ochikwanekya ngango sirale abasaye bande asebirengo anemono asogo chakya obonchirelia nabo igokwenekya bunanko gachabale enibo yabo.
Met any group and you see that the group is very vibrant, the group is ready to learn. When I was talking to the teachers, they told me that this is the most active class that they've met. I didn't want to take that as just a light talk. I've decided to take the 200 learners. We start officially our Kisii Sweethearts self-help help group circle, so that we see apart from filming, what else they can do with the small initiatives that will come from national government affirmative action, so that they can either start businesses, or if not businesses, they can invest their money. So they are the best group. They come from different constituencies. Kisii County has 9. So they will be our representatives in reaching out to the entire Kisii County, so that we can have a big number of these self-help group. It depends, you know, you don't do one thing. The other day, we were educating on computer. We went to Nyamawa, we did mentorship. What can make us not to reach so many people or to have a replica of these activities is the small amount that is being allocated in the office of the Women Rep. If we had like the 13 billion that the governor has, my friend, we will train even pilots. There is nothing that we can't do. So we move with what we have. You could reach out to the youth, you reach out to the people living with disability, vulnerable groups. So today, I'm very excited about the Kenya Film Commission and Kenya Film School for giving our students skills. Skills are very helpful. If you have no skills, even in communication, if you don't have any communication skill, you will miss a lot, because information is power. You will know nothing. Now with this, our latest world, technology is given #1 priority. So I've prioritized this so that when you have these engagements, they've learned so many things. Even when you invest in social capital, it is when they make friends. Tomorrow or another day, you will find someone calling each of the students maybe they were schooling with. They socialize, they share their problems. There is much that we can engage our youths and make them to be better people.